Hi guys, today I decided to start the engine of my Audi TT to wake up the car during the winter, but it looks like my car's battery went down. This is terrible. Have you ever had this and what did you do? In fact, these are not all problems, because if you know that the battery is located in the trunk of my Audi. Unfortunately, I could not open the trunk of the car from the remote control because the battery was discharged. So I couldn't even open the trunk of my Audi using the trunk release button on the car door. And then I decided to try to open the trunk manually with a cable. The trunk opening cable is located in the cavity at the back between the seats. But this idea failed because this system did not work for unknown reasons. Looks like I should fix this case to prevent this problem in the future. And what would you do in this situation? Your battery has fallen and you have no access to the battery. So I decided to follow plan B, and it's great that I know my car. So I opened the hood of my car and found an interesting thing. Of course I knew about it, but you should also know about these interesting things of your German car. So here you can find the plus terminal and use that to supply power to your car. Ideally, you could plug in a car jumper and start the car's engine. By the way, under this video, you can find a link to the most interesting models of car jumpers on Amazon and also a 5% discount on these links. Unfortunately, I was missing a car jumper, so I used another method. I decided to connect the borrowed charging station to my car, apply power and open the trunk in which my other charger was lying. So I connected the red plus terminal to the red output of the car and the black minus terminal to the base of the car. By the way, this car has an aluminum body, so the grounding must be connected correctly. After that, my car came to life and I was finally able to open the trunk. As you can see, the lights inside the car work and everything lights up, so it worked. The trunk release button also works great. The next step is turn off the charging station and disconnect all terminals from the car. The fact is that I need to remove the battery and put it on the charger. And maybe I'll keep my car battery outside the car for a while because of winter. So I need to open the trunk mat and find the battery located on the right rear side of the car. Next, I unscrewed and removed the battery terminals. And also you need to unscrew the bolt that holds the plate that holds the base of the battery. You need to remove this plate and pull the battery out of the car. I also closed the trunk lid lock so the trunk lid wouldn't close again. Now you need to plug the charger into the outlet and connect the terminals. Also, don't forget to tighten the terminal fasteners tightly so that the connection is secure. The red wire is plus and the black wire is minus. Next, turn on the charger and wait for the battery to be charged. It looks like it will take some time and maybe even a whole day. You need to charge your battery. But it happens that you can't even start your car, especially in winter, because the battery is discharged. Then the best solution would be to use a start jumper. You can choose a start jumper of different capacities under this video by following the link to Amazon products and get a 5% discount. And I will be grateful for your like and subscribe. Cheers!